What is quantum mechanics? Well, before we can ask what quantum mechanics is, we need to understand where we're going to be coming from. In an atom, we have a nucleus with the protons and neutrons, and this giant cloud of electrons floating and whizzing around all willy-nilly on the outside. It started not as a crazy idea, but with the light bulb. In the early 1890s, Max Planck wanted to make light bulbs more efficient, so they would give out the maximum light for the least amount of power. First task that plagued Mac was to predict how much light a hot filament gave out. He knew that light consisted of electromagnetic waves with different colors of light for different frequencies. The problem was to ensure that most visible light would be emitted rather than infrared or ultraviolet. He worked backwards from experimental measurements. The new data brought him to a new rule of physics, that light only carried energy in packets, or quanta. So a higher temperature means a higher frequency light. Because of this, Planck realized that light bulb filaments should be heated to about 3200 Kelvin, so most energy would be given off as visible light. Any hotter and we would all burn from the excessive ultraviolet light. In next week's video, we'll be discussing quantum tunneling. How can an electron be simultaneously inside of the mountain and on the outside?